Attention all INTPs. It's time to put on your thinking caps and get ready for the ultimate intellectual adventure. In this video, we'll be diving into 8 brilliant business ideas specifically designed to unleash your INTP genius in the entrepreneurial world. As the proud owner of an INTP personality, you possess a rare combination of traits, including a sharp analytical mind, boundless curiosity, and a knack for innovative thinking. The world is your playground, and the entrepreneurial opportunities are endless. All you need to do is tap into your unique strengths and make your mark. Now, let's embark on this exhilarating journey through the realm of INTP, friendly business ventures. Prepare to be inspired, amused, and maybe even a little surprised by the amazing opportunities that await you. From tech startups to cutting-edge think tanks, we've got the perfect recipe for INTP success. So, grab a cup of your favorite caffeinated beverage, sit back, and get ready to explore the incredible world of business ideas tailored just for you. Because when it comes to INTPs, brilliance is simply second nature. Number 1. Tech startup founder. Imagine yourself as the Tony Stark of the tech world, masterminding the startup that revolutionizes the way people live, work, and play. As an INTP, you're practically wired for success in this arena, with your ceaseless curiosity, razor-sharp intellect, and innate ability to dream up the next big thing. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your back cave, or home office, local cafe, or even a cozy nook in your favorite library. So, channel your inner technopreneur and embrace the challenge of creating a cutting-edge tech startup that will leave the world in awe. Whether you're designing life-changing apps, trailblazing software solutions, or futuristic hardware devices, your INTP brain is the perfect powerhouse to fuel your entrepreneurial dreams. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and in this case, the responsibility to create something truly amazing. So flex your INTP superpowers and get ready to take the tech world by storm. Number 2. Analytics consulting firm. Call in all INTP data wizards. It's time to wield your statistical superpowers and embark on a quest to conquer the realm of analytics consulting. You see, as an INTP, your keen eye for patterns and trends makes you the Sherlock Holmes of data analysis, and the game is most definitely afoot. With businesses across various industries clamoring for data-driven insights, you'll be the go-to guru for uncovering hidden gems that can make all the difference in their success. Setting up an analytics consulting firm is your chance to become the master of data alchemy, transforming raw numbers into golden nuggets of actionable insights. Your clients will marvel at your ability to make sense of even the most complex data sets, and you'll revel in the satisfaction of solving data mysteries that would stump mere mortal. So, dust off your magnifying glass, polish your trusty spreadsheet skills, and prepare to embark on a thrilling adventure through the world of analytics consulting, where the game is always afoot and the rewards are endless. Number 3. E-commerce platform. Ahoy INTP entrepreneurs. Set sail on the high seas of Ecommerce, where you can captain your very own niche focused online platform. Your keen intuition for spotting unique products and your uncanny ability to predict market trends make you the perfect navigator on this digital voyage. Just think, with every carefully curated product or service, you'll be charting a course toward entrepreneurial success, one satisfied customer at a time. As the master and commander of your Ecommerce empire, you'll expertly analyze customer needs, scout for exceptional products, and create a shopping experience that's nothing short of legendary. Your virtual store will be more than just a place to buy things. It'll be a treasure trove of one-of-a-kind offerings that make your customers feel as though they've struck gold. So, raise the anchor, hoist the sails, and embark on your Ecommerce adventure. Because as an INTP, you have what it takes to rule the digital marketplace with an iron fist and a velvet glove. Number 4. Subscription box service. Lights, camera, action. It's time for you, the INTP maestro of curation, to take center stage with your very own subscription box service. Your innate creativity and keen intuition for what delights and surprises people make you the perfect impresario for orchestrating a symphony of hand-picked goodies that arrive at subscribers' doorsteps every month. Just imagine the gasps of delight and the chorus of O's and AOS as your audience. Subscribers eagerly unwrap their monthly surprises. With your magical touch, you'll transform simple cardboard boxes into enchanting treasure chests filled with hand-picked delights that cater to a specific target audience. From gourmet snacks to quirky gadgets, your INTP. Intuition will guide you to select just the right items that will leave your subscribers clamoring for more. So grab your conductor's baton and start composing your masterpiece, a subscription box experience that hits all the right notes and leaves your audience begging for an encore. Number 5, digital marketing agency, INTPs. It's time to step into the digital marketing limelight and show the world what you're made of. With your razor-sharp analytical skills and deep understanding of online platforms, you are the ideal candidate to start a digital marketing agency that will help clients develop winning, data-driven strategy. Picture yourself as a digital marketing maestro, orchestrating pixel-perfect ad campaigns and producing viral content that has audiences around the world clicking, sharing, and of course, buying. Armed with your INTP insight, you'll expertly navigate the ever-changing digital landscape, staying one step ahead of marketing trends and constantly adapting your strategies for maximum impact. Your clients will be dazzled by your uncanny ability to send just the right message at just the right time. And you'll take pride in the knowledge that your marketing prowess is helping businesses thrive in an increasingly competitive online world. So don your digital marketing cape, fire up your trusty gadgets, and prepare to conquer the online realm one brilliant campaign at a time. Number 6, custom software development, INTPs. It's time to channel your inner software sorcerer and conjure up a custom software development company that transforms your clients' wildest dreams into digital reality. Your innate problem-solving abilities and formidable technical expertise make you the perfect candidate to create tailored solutions that address their unique needs. You'll be like the fairy godmother of software development, waving your magic wand, or more accurately, your keyboard, to bring their visions to life. As the mastermind behind your own custom software development company, you'll effortlessly weave together lines of code to create bespoke solutions for clients in various industries. From streamlining complex processes to designing user-friendly interfaces, your INTP wizardry will leave your clients spellbound and singing your praises. So, gather your potions, scrolls, and trusty programming languages and embark on an enchanting journey through the realm of custom software development, where your INTP magic will leave a lasting impact on the digital world. Number 7, innovation lab or think tank, INTPs. Prepare to don your lab coats and unleash your brilliance in the world of innovation labs and think tanks. As a natural-born intellectual powerhouse, you have the perfect combination of creativity, curiosity, and analytical thinking to collaborate with experts from various fields and provide game-changing insights and solutions to some of the world's most pressing issues. Just picture yourself as a modern-day Renaissance genius, working alongside other great minds to shape the future of technology, science, and society itself. In your very own innovation lab or think tank, you'll have the freedom to explore cutting-edge research and development projects that pique your INTP curiosity. Whether you're brainstorming innovative solutions to combat climate change, devising ingenious ways to harness the power of AI, or exploring the uncharted territory of space exploration, your input and analytical prowess will be invaluable in the quest for progress. So strap on your thinking cap, grab a trusty whiteboard, and get ready to make history. Because as an INTP, your genius knows no bounds. Number 8, online learning platform, INTPs. It's time to step into the hallowed halls of your very own online learning platform. where you'll become the esteemed professor of subjects that ignite your passion and curiosity. With your innate ability to break down complex topics into digestible, engaging content, you'll be the Dumbledore of the digital classroom, guiding eager learners on their journey toward wisdom and mastery. So, dust off your academic robes, polish your spectacles, and prepare to share your knowledge with the world. As the creator and curator of your online learning platform, you'll design courses and workshops that not only impart valuable skills, but also spark your students' intellectual curiosity. Your INTP expertise will shine through in every video lecture, interactive quiz, and insightful discussion, inspiring learners to think critically and explore new horizons. And who knows? In the process of educating others, you might just learn a thing or two yourself. So charge up your digital quill and parchment and get ready to make a lasting impact on the world of online education. Because, as an INTP, you're destined to be at the head of the class. And there you have it, fellow INTPs. A veritable smorgasbord of brilliant business ideas, each one tailored to your unique strengths and intellectual prowess. From tech startups to online learning platforms, the entrepreneurial world is your oyster, just waiting for you to unearth the pearls of success. So why not take the plunge and explore these exciting opportunities? After all, as an INTP, your genius is simply waiting to be unleashed. And there's no better way to make your mark on the world than by forging your own path in the realm of entrepreneurship. As we bid farewell to this treasure trove of INTP business ideas, we encourage you to engage with this video by liking, commenting, and sharing your thoughts on the ideas we've presented. Which one resonates with you the most? What other entrepreneurial avenues do you think would suit your INTP strengths? And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more personality-driven content that aims to inspire, entertain, and empower you on your journey to self-discovery and success. Until next time, keep shining your INTP brilliance and let the world see just how incredible you truly are